OdaCitizenTV. The American Biano of Anissa. Odam for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Odam for Timothy. Monty Tum. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place to share. Blaster place no. Ghana local place no. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Keko. Go on.
Yo, claro.
It's amazing. Yes, my Teacher of Great Minds International School, Dr. Adom Kyei, coming in with a great medal for face on. That's right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the man of the movement, Adom Kyei. Goddess, but for bringing up ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Adom Kyei. Demonstrating Ashanti heritage. Dr. Adom Kyei, Ghana's most favorite actor, musician, and comedian, as well.
Mr. Trending Guy. Mr. Trending Guy. Yes, man is seated. All cameras on him. Great minds. Please, you can take your seats. Thank you very much. Give it to me, Anthony. Thank you so much. Dr. Kujan Kansalewe, the director of Great Minds International School, Mr. President, Ghana's most favorite actor. You are welcome.
Council, Pretoria Council, led by Asari Angel, Her beautiful one, Her Excellency, followed by the school's vice prefect, Hola. This is beautiful. Her Excellency, Asari Angel of Africa. That's beautiful. By the KT2 department, also be the lower primary departments as well. Beautiful one. This is wonderful.
It is therefore with great joy and honor that I warmly welcome you all to the 2026 annual speech, prize giving and graduation day of Great Minds International School, held under the theme, Raising Future Leaders, the Ghanaian Dream Starts Here. Today, we celebrate not only academic excellence, but also the dreams, talent and determination of every learner gathered here. Our team reminds us that every great leader begins with a strong foundation, built through quality education, discipline, integrity, and hard work. Madam Chairperson, at Great Minds International School, we are privileged to learn in an environment that nurtures creativity, innovation, and leadership. Through the dedication of our teachers and unwavering support from our parents, the vision of our director, who is also a role model and commitment of all stakeholders. We are being equipped with the knowledge, confidence, and character needed to be meaningful contributions to our communities and our nation. To our graduating class, congratulations on reaching this important milestone. Your journey has not always been easy, but through determination, commitment, and the support from the teachers and your parents, you have made it. Congratulations, class of 2026. As you leave this school, continue to work hard, believe in yourselves, and never stop chasing your dreams. And our award winners, well done. Your achievement shows us hard work truly pays. We hope your success will bring and encourage others to give their very best in everything they do. Nana Nkose, Nana no, Great Minds International and it's supposed to be any moody Jumake say. Mobile Amasukui and Yam. Midna Sukui and Namwase. Simon will applaud with you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you are all welcome.
Let's put our hands together and welcome them. So, Nana, Adijana, Fair, Urban. Or Saberima, Safo, Achimai. Or Saberima, or 2-4 bloggers, yes, bloggers, or Saberima, Madaroma, Katachi, Pakrono, Adabraka, Nana, so Eddie, Doctor, or Tinkusi, and him, and Nana, Edgy, Dr. Tata. And now M24 of Evan. Lawyer architect Daniel Kwame Boateng. Yes, lawyer and so Ekahombi and Asabi Omochi Doctor. What's in Kusi Baba na Omo Ababetinasi. Sanso and Honorable Bona Obi CEO of Jubilee Construction Limited, Honorable So, a highly esteemed Council of Royal Member, Honorable So, Ekahobi Fefe, Sanso, and Honorable Hokani, Mrs. Martha, Obin Bona, and also Ekahobi, and Penifua Ebe, a highly esteemed Council of Royal Members, and what the Philadelphia movement, Nana One and the director of Second Chance TV.
My name is Dufit Ishirachi.
Asante Akadie. More for the as a director, do something. Nana Kubelim Prema Kese, the first. Nana Kubelim Prema Kese, the first. Come on, you come to Nana Agasa Amadi Mususame. Na Adisem Kaka, what if I some place by international school? And if you don't see Amadi voice, Nana Yeti Amadi.
Edo ye ne tente ebe catch na e wo ma me se control say howani me imuda Philadelphia adeshe control medamas
Yes sir. Bienvenue. Vous savez, anything I don't talk.